Hello, I'm Master Cho. Today I'm going to show you Logitech Pebble M350 mouse. A little disclaimer before we begin. I'm not sponsored by Logitech and I bought this mouse for my personal use. This video is just my opinion, and if you have yours, please feel free to leave comment below. So no more further ado, let's move on. Logitech has some Asian regional model, and this is the one of it. This is Logitech Pebble M350. Below the model name it says Modern, Slim, Silent. It cost me about 3,000 Korean won, so which means about 26 US dollars. There are three color options available: white, pink, and black. I got mine in black. Main features are listed on the right side of the box. Silent. Click buttons of this mouse makes less noise than average mouse, which makes it optimal to use in quiet environment, say library. 18 months battery life. Well, battery life in mouse specifications are always exaggerated, but newer models tend to offer fairly decent battery life. Dual connectivity. Actually, this is why I bought this mouse. Some high-end Logitech mouse has this function. There are two different mouse connection types. One is RF, another one is Bluetooth. RF stands for radio frequency, classical wireless connection, and it doesn't have any compatibility over different models. It has a small wireless adapter designated to the specific mouse. You can't use the mouse wireless adapter with other mouse. This RF type tends to be referred as 2.4 GHz because it uses 2.4 GHz radio frequency, and there are some RF mice used 5 GHz radio frequency. Most of Logitech RF mouse uses unifying system. Unlike two other brands, you can connect up to 6 input devices with a single unifying receiver. Logitech keyboard or mouse with the unifying system usually have this orange and black unifying logo on the bottom and the unifying receiver. Gaming mice are not unifying compatible. Bluetooth is a newer connection type. It has standard connection schemes shared with many different devices, and most of the portable devices has Bluetooth connection feature already integrated. But if you want to use Bluetooth mouse with this desktop PC, you are likely to buy a Bluetooth adapter. With RF mouse, PC doesn't know if the mouse is wireless or not, because the data and mouse control the connection. So RF has no compatibility issue, and it works like instantaneous. With Bluetooth mouse, PC controls Bluetooth connection, so there is a chance you might have some compatibility issue, and sometimes initial connection takes a few seconds. But portable devices support Bluetooth connection, so you don't need to use physical wireless adapter like RF. I wanted to buy a small portable mouse supports dual mode connection, so I bought this one. I use Bluetooth connection for most of the time, but I wanted to have contingency plan, so to speak. High precision optical tracking. Yeah, I get it. It doesn't mean anything. I assume it has same budget grade sensor. Okay, let's open the box. Nothing in here. Quick start guide, some warranty information, and the mouse. Fairly simple package. It is slim and light portable mouse. Its body is finished with matte finish. This mouse is designed to be carried lightly, so grip is not very comfortable. Generally, there are three types of mouse grip styles. If you are a palm grip person like me, you will feel this mouse is too low and small. Being small doesn't always mean uncomfortable. For instance, MX Anywhere series are very comfortable even though it is about the same size with M350. Even cheap M215 has better grip than M350. For your reference, I will show you my right hand side. Click buttons are really silent but not completely mute. Tactile feedback is slightly smoosh compared to the other normal mouse. Let's compare clean noise with other budget grade mouse. Logitech Pebble M350, Logitech M215, MX Anywhere 1. See the difference? On the bottom of the mouse, here's a power toggle, a push button for connection, and LED indicator. Top of the mouse is actually cover, and it is held with 3-point magnet. It can be easily opened, but magnet holds cover fairly well. Under the hood, single AA battery is provided, and here's a unifying receiver stored. Actually, I need to use my fingernails to take out this. Okay then. Let's try Bluetooth connection first. I already took out battery protection tab. So turn on the mouse. LED indicator glows green and blue, which means mouse is looking for connection. Blue is for Bluetooth, green is for unifying receiver. This is a brand new mouse, so it goes automatically in Bluetooth pairing mode. Let's see if the laptop finds Bluetooth mouse. Adding the device, Bluetooth, searching for device. Here's Logitech Pebble. Okay, now the mouse is paired. You see, blue light is blinking here. Blue light is on here. I will take out the other unifying receiver. Works like charm. Let's try unifying receiver there. Now it goes green. It works. Now it's connected with unifying receiver. You can even turn off the Bluetooth. See? Works like charm. You can press this button to change it to Bluetooth mode. Now let's go Bluetooth. Doesn't work anymore. Take out the receiver. Now it's in Bluetooth mode. This is really great. Let's see how fast the connection is changing. I also add Bluetooth to this Fire HD tablet and plug in unifying to the laptop. Now it's connected to the laptop with unifying receiver. Press the button. Now it's with tablet. Click the button. Unifying. Click. Bluetooth. Super fast. I like it. M350 supports non-unifying connection, but nano receiver came with M350 is not unifying receiver. So if you want to use this mouse with other Logitech wireless keyboard, you have to buy one unifying receiver separately. Today I show you Logitech Pebble M350 mouse. This mouse is not very comfortable, but aesthetically pleasing, light and slim. It came with nano receiver, but not unifying receiver. So you may need to buy one unifying receiver separately. This mouse is only available in Asian market at the time, but some eBay seller offers international shipping. With dual connection mode, you can control two devices at the same time, going back and forth. Actually, the changing speed is very fast. This mouse is with 1 year limited hardware warranty, but I think the warranty is not global. I strongly suggest you this mouse if you are looking for slim and light wireless mouse for everyday carry. But if you are using mouse extensively, I suggest you to consider other mouse with better grip. So that's all for this review. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up if you liked. See you next time.